प्रपञ्चोल्लास निर्मुक्तः प्रत्यक्षकः प्रतिभात्मकः प्रपञ्चोल्लास निर्मुक्तः प्रत्यक्षः प्रतिभात्मकः प्रवेगः प्रमथागः प्रणर्तन 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 परायणः वरवल्लभ रमण தங்கபதம் சதுரங்கம் தொடுத்திடும் சக்கரதாயல் தரணியடல்தவன் சதுர்வேதல்
कधपतिवाना जगदोद्धारा देवकी नंदन नंदमुकुंदा नंदित मुनिजन नित्यानंदा.
So when I saw this girl, her nritta is very graceful. That is, the rhythmic aspect is very graceful. The nritta aspect is neat, clean, graceful. But what really touched me was the expression she was able to communicate.
Vasu and Maya, as I've been calling her, have been very amenable to all the speed breakers and the bumps that have come in terms of the training, and including changing things around yesterday because some things was not going right, and Maya was very unruffled about it. She was like, yes Akka, I can do it, absolutely no problem. And she did it today, and she looked at us and she said, see, I did it.
पद्मनाभ सगोदरि शङ्करि पञ्चाशपीठरूपिणी माबागी श्रीराज राजेश्वरी अन्नै तयिर कड़यनदल्वने अन्नै तयिर कड़य கண்ணல் மொழி பேசி கண்கள் கெஞ்சி கொஞ்ச கண்ணல் மொழி பேசி கண்கள் கெஞ்சி கொஞ்ச ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ದೇ ತನನ